weekend Vlogmas is gonna be on fire! What's good, guys? Happy Friday, flirty Fridays, fun Friday, whatever you guys want to call it. Driving to work again. Y'all already know you're gonna see a lot of work driving videos because this is what we do. We work. We gotta get money. We gotta pay bills. Super fired up. Got a lot of plans. Gonna go pick up Christmas decorations, so that's gonna be awesome for you guys to see us actually decorate the tree instead of a naked one. Nobody likes a naked tree. People like naked people. But other than that, I get to probably see my brother. Maybe. I don't know. All the Christmas stuff is at his house. Looking forward to a good day. Good, happy day. Positive vibes, positive mood. I'm in Juanita's truck. I love driving this truck. It feels like a car. It's very weird, kind of a truck, but enjoy it, guys. Enjoy it, enjoy it, enjoy it.
What's up, guys? It is officially Friday today. Thank God. I got a little Amazon package in the mail from Daddy. Daddy bought Mommy and Blue a little present, and he wants me to open it up today on the vlog. So let's open it. I'm excited. Work's been a little busy today, but oh, this is so cute. Boogies. So remember, we're training Blue. So Daddy got us a little pouch, like one of the treat bags that you wrap around your waist. It comes with a little clicker and a water bowl. He's so cute. So cute. And then it came with something else. Hold on. Let's see what it is. Wow, this is nice. This is nice. I've always wanted one of these leashes. Buggy's, you excited? We're gonna be professional trainers now. We got the pouch and all. The pouch and all. Oh, you don't like it, Mommy. So I'm really excited with that. Thanks, babe. I love it. Bye, guys. Hope everyone is having a beautiful, blessed Friday.
Yo, 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 what's good? I don't know how the color is right now, but you all saw a mini clip of me getting the Christmas decorations from my brother's house. It was good. I got to see him, got to chat. It's always good to catch up. Lots of boxes, man. Boy, Juanita's in for a treat. I hope she's ready for this because we got to organize this and keep what's good and give the rest back to my mom. These are, like I said, the tree has been in my family for a long time. Everything got donated. But, yeah, it's time to trim the fat, per se. This guy's bright lighting me. I don't know why he's bright lighting me. He must want them hands, but on our way home, super fired up. We got a little weird party to go to tonight. Gonna get weird, gonna play some poker. I started playing poker. I kind of enjoy it. I don't know the rules. None of us know the rules, but it's super fun and funny to play. That's about it. Over and out. Gotta go home, gotta pay attention. It's kind of difficult to multitask, but people are chasing their kids out here. It's wild. It's a wild world. 2020, baby.
Hi, guys.
Hello.
Hello. Sorry for the bad quality. I'm filming on my phone, and it's a little dark, but we are on, it's Friday night, and we are on our way to my brother's birthday dinner. We're having like a little dinner. His birthday's tomorrow, December 5th. So we're on our way to a little birthday dinner at my parents' house. I'll try to film as much as I can, but I'm a little shy to film in front of my family because they don't know that I'm a huge YouTube star with my boyfriend. But I guess we'll catch you guys there at the party.
JK Adventures at the Ruiz house right now, about to munch on some delicious food. But first, we're gonna watch the kids make gingerbread houses because it is the season to make gingerbread houses.
Say hi, guys. Hi, puppy.
Happy birthday, Tony.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Tony. Happy birthday to you. Yay! How old are you, Tony? How old are you? 18. 18th birthday. Say hi. What's your name? Bella. Bella? And what am I? Am I your tia? How old are you?
6.
Huh?
6.
6? You're 6? Ah. Say bye, guys. Hi, Diggy Adventure fans. It is currently 1:30 in the morning, and we are officially leaving my brother's birthday dinner. What are your thoughts? I'm so tired.
I knew it was gonna be a late night. I knew it. I knew it. And we didn't even get to play poker. I was so you guys saw I was so fired up to play poker.
Yeah.
It just everything happened so late.
My brother had a scrimmage game, and then he had to go practice. So it just took him a while to get out of baseball practice. So then he didn't even get there till like 9.
My face is looking very greasy, by the way. But,
oh yeah.
Yeah. Other than that,
we had a great night. Happy birthday, Tony. Happy 18th birthday.
But you guys
we
saw
love
the
you.
food. The food was flames, fire flames.
Yeah.
Like
it was so good.
that's what rich people eat on the reg.
That is going to end off our December our. Hold on.
It's gonna end the Vlogmas, okay? It's gonna end this day. Right?
That is gonna end.
If you're not keeping up, we're not keeping up. Just keep watching them and figure it out yourselves.
Exactly. So before you go, don't forget to like and subscribe and comment down below on what you would like to see in our next Vlogmas episode. And I guess we'll just catch you guys later.